fat-reducing fitness meal, chicken breast meatball soup. Simple teaching cooking, lazy uncle kitchen. If you love fitness and body management, I use daily eating boiled chicken breast like wood. Don't even need it. Ingredients to be prepared: chicken breast, ginger, first, lettuce, and various seasonings. Let's handle the chicken breast first. Cut the chicken breast into slices first, and then cut them in half. Cut half of it into pieces, and chop it into meat particles the size of soybeans. Chop the other half into minced chicken with the back of a knife. Align the particle size. Cut ginger into minced ginger. Cut scallions. Combine together. Add salt, MSG, pepper and stir. Add an egg white. Add some soy sauce to color. Stir well. The meat filling is ready. Start cooking. Boil water in a pot. Add salt. Add monosodium glutamate. Squeeze the meatballs out one by hand, and use a spoon to put them into boiling water. Just cook like this. When they're cooked, you can put them in a bowl. Tear the lettuce leaves by hand, and put them in the bowl. Pour the hot meatball soup in. Okay, here we go. After eating this bowl, you will never want to eat boiled chicken breast again. What is that? Make a point. Chopped meat has a fuller texture. Add an egg white. The meatballs won't be dry. Well, I wish you good health and fitness. See you next time.